Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I create awesome cinematic videos of nature in Grenada. If you want to stay in the loop, make sure to subscribe. I would like you to come along with me to St. John's in a little adventure. That was the first scene of my video. If you enjoy what you've seen, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment in the comment section below. Now I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of my video. What I do, make sure to make me know by leaving a comment below, by sharing my videos, and you can message me on Instagram or Facebook so that I could continue creating the awesome content for you. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye bye.